In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the IKEA app through a full tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned IKEA shopper or just diving into the world of Swedish flat pack furniture for the first time, using the app is a convenient way to browse and purchase items from the comfort of your own home. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the IKEA app and head over to the account home. This is your personal hub where you can manage all aspects of your IKEA experience, from orders to wish lists and more. Once you've landed on the account home, take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. Next, you will want to explore the offers section. By clicking on offers, you'll be presented with a variety of promotions that could potentially save you some money on your next purchase. IKEA frequently updates these, so it's worth checking in regularly. Within the offers section, you may notice a clearance offer that's marked as online only. Tap on that to discover deeply discounted items that are available exclusively for online purchases. This is a great way to find deals you might otherwise miss in store. Once you found something you like, it's time to choose your item. Look closely at the product details, including dimensions and materials, to ensure it fits your needs. Next, you can select your preferred color or size if applicable. Often products will have multiple variations, and you'll want to select the one that best matches your space and style. Adding the item to your shopping bag is easy. Simply click the Add to Bag option, which ensures the item is saved and ready for your purchase. You're just a few steps away from completing your online order. When you've concluded your shopping, go to your shopping bag to review the contents. This is an ideal time to double check quantities and ensure you've selected the correct items. Once satisfied, proceed to checkout by clicking on Go to Checkout. The next step involves inputting your personal information. Fill in your name by tapping full name and typing it in. Then enter your contact number and address, ensuring all details are accurate for a smooth delivery process. You will need to select your city and enter your billing address information next. These details are crucial for ensuring that your order is processed correctly and sent to the right location. After this, continue by selecting your preferred delivery time. Choose a time slot that works for you, such as 3:00 p.m. to 10:00 p.m., or whatever options are available to fit your schedule. The final stage involves choosing your payment method. Select the method that best suits you, whether it's credit card, debit, or another available option. Once done, click on Pay, and there you have it, a complete guide to ordering and paying on the IKEA app. Enjoy your shopping experience, and hopefully your new purchase will bring both function and style to your home. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on the IKEA app.